Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Apareyam itastvanyam prakrutim विद्धि मे पराम जीवभूताम महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत् Om. Realize and constantly remember that you belong to the higher nature of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall always remember that I belong to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Ho Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetakrtyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham 24th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Srimanarayana saying to Yogamaya like this, "O Yogamaya, you have to take out the pregnancy of Devaki and put the same pregnancy, the child, in Rohini's womb. Then that child will be called as Sankarshana, Rama, Balabhadra." Like that, when Paramatma said, Yogamaya said, "I shall do as you said." Om iti tadvachaha pratigruhya parikramya gam gata tat tadha karot. Yogamaya chanted Om and she took permission from Paramatma. She did Pradakshina Namaskaram to Paramatma and then went to Nandagokulam and did whatever Paramatma asked her to do. She did all of that as it is. Yogamaya took out Devaki's garbham, pregnancy. Then all the people started thinking that Devaki's pregnancy got deported. So then that seventh child, who is Balarama, is in Nandavrajam. Now the eighth pregnancy, that is ready. Then Bhagavanapi Visvatma Bhaktanam Abhayankaraha Avivesha Amsabhagena Mana Anaka Dundubhe. Paramatma, the one who is indweller of all entities, the one who destroys fear of all his devotees. Such Paramatma now entered into the manas of Vasudeva. Then Vasudeva started glowing with so much of divine effulgence. Saha bibhrata paurusham dhama bhrajamano yadha ravihi. Because Paramatma is there in Vasudeva's manas, Vasudeva is glowing. He is glowing like Sakshat Surya Bhagavan. Nobody was able to see Vasudeva clearly because of such great amount of effulgence. Nobody was able to even go near to Vasudeva. To that extent, Vasudeva is glowing. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 5th sloka. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.